It's the 3M straight cut blade on my M3000 hand masker. I'll show you how to just set it up and load it up from start to finish. If you've never seen this thing loaded up, this thing just snaps out of the end of your plastic right here. So you could use it for paper also, if you wanted your paper to be cut straight, perfectly straight every single time. So I'm just gonna load it up just like I typically would load up a 3M hand masker right here. The plastic or paper is gonna come over the top of your roll. Just gonna stick this on my masker just like that. I'm gonna get my plastic pulled out right there just a little bit. I'm gonna take my roll of tape. Roll of tape's gonna come over the top. So tape comes over the top. Just gonna slide that on. Make sure it's on all the way. Now your tape just comes underneath the pen that's sticking out right there. I'm gonna set it on top of my plastic, run it underneath the guide right here. I'm gonna pull it out. Now everything's set, ready to go, other than my stabilizer right here. I'm gonna push that in. Now it's ready to rip and tear it perfectly straight. If you've ever used one of these things, let us know what you think about it. It's an awesome little tool, an accessory to always get straight cuts on your paper or plastic. It's a plastic blade that comes with the straight cut blade, but the plastic blade will also cut paper. It's an extremely sharp blade, so you don't have to have a sharp blade to cut paper, but I use the plastic blades for cutting paper and plastic. I don't keep paper blades on any of my maskers. I only use plastic. Once again, these can be sharp, can be dangerous. They can cut you, so be careful when using plastic blades. There you have it. The 3M straight cut blade. Let us know what you think about it down in the comment section below. If you've ever used it before, if you got any questions or comments about this tool, just leave it down in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. We enjoy getting thumbs up. It's how thumbs up. We enjoy getting a thumbs. Anyways, we'll see you on our next video. Out.